Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use clickbank very effectively. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply log into a clickbank account. Now when you're inside your account, click on your username right over here, and right over here you will find all of the earnings that you have made in the month. Now to get some affiliate links to actually promote them to earn money, what you have to do is just simply click on marketplace over here. Now in marketplace you will have all the niche that is available on clickbank. So you can go from top offers to new offers, or if you want to search category wise, you can go health and fitness, e-com or e-business, spirituality, new age, self-help, and a lot more categories over here. So if you click on the three option over here, you will find all the category they are available on clickbank. So let's say for example you want to go to health and fitness, so scroll down to health and fitness, and in health and fitness you will find multiple sub niches as well, like beauty, meditation, men's health, mental health, and a lot more. But if you want to see the broad picture of the entire health and fitness category, just simply click on view all health and fitness. Now it will give you the best and the most profitable affiliate products that are currently running on clickbank. Now to even get the best products on clickbank, click on this filter over here, then choose gravity high to low. Now this will bring out the best of the best products that are currently running and making high incomes on clickbank. Now there are two types of products that you will find over here. So in the first type, you will get the affiliate link very easily. All you have to do is click on promote and you will get the affiliate link. But in some cases, you will have to get the permission of the affiliate in order to actually get the affiliate link. Getting the permission, all you have to do is just simply click inside their offers. Now inside that offer, you will find somewhere to contact the affiliate owner itself. And after you will do that, they will provide you with a link that you can use to promote. So if you have the link, click on promote and click on create hop link. Now the link that you see over here is your affiliate link. So you can copy this and paste wherever you want to promote the link. You're going to use paid ads, organic methods on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. It's totally up to you. Just simply get this link and a video or whatever the means is for you to get this video to the viewers. And when anyone will buy from this particular link, they will be redirected to the original page of the product. So when anyone will buy the product, you will get a good commission. So the commission, as you can see, for this particular product is right over here. So if anyone bought the product, you will get a total of $137 per product. So you can see over here how much money you can make just from a single product. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.